How to download WhatsApp on Windows 10. First, I am already on the official WhatsApp website. The link to this website will be under the video. So, how to download WhatsApp on Windows? I can click on the download button on the top right, or I click on this black download button from the Microsoft App Store. I choose the download button on the top right, and the site redirects me to the Microsoft App Store. In this window, I click OK. The application opens, the WhatsApp page opens immediately. I click the install button. But first you have to wait. The download speed will depend on the capabilities of your internet. But before starting the installation you need to wait a little. The total size of WhatsApp is almost 100 MB and it's loaded quickly. Everything is loaded. But now it needs to be synchronized with my smartphone. Open WhatsApp on the computer. If you do not have a shortcut on your desktop, open the Start menu and look for WhatsApp in this list. In my opinion, you can see WhatsApp at the top of the list, but if you don't have it, just scroll down to the letter W and here is our WhatsApp. I need to log into WhatsApp. I click on the green Start button. Next, the app asks me to open WhatsApp on my smartphone. What I do? I open WhatsApp as in the instructions. Next, I click on the menu on the top right, 3 dots icon. And in the new menu in the middle there will be connected devices. I click. It is clear from the picture that I need to connect WhatsApp from a smartphone to PC. There is a green button Connect device. I click Need to unlock. I have a scan of QR codes. If it does not open, you need to give WhatsApp permission on your phone to the camera, so that WhatsApp can scan QR codes. Now I point this QR code scanner at monitor. And that's all. WhatsApp worked on my laptop, pulling all the chats from the smartphone. Please like, comment and subscribe. Bye everyone.